If you're in the market for a powerful dust collector that offers excellent filtration and easy mobility, Rockler's Dust-Right 750 CFM mobile dust collector is for you. Its 1 horsepower motor generates 750 cubic feet per minute of suction, enough to handle the dust from just about any power tool. It comes standard with a canister filter that captures dust down to 1 micron in size, meaning there's less dust in the air. And the canister has a built-in agitator to clean the dust from the filter and keep it working at peak efficiency. 2-inch rolling casters make it easy to move around your shop or garage, and a specially designed handle provides control and a place to store the 10-foot power cord when the unit's not being used. What really sets the Dust-Right 750 apart, though, is that it's been designed specifically to work with the Dust-Right system of hoses and tools to make dust collection and shop cleanup as simple as possible. When you combine its mobility with a Dust-Right 4-inch expandable hose, the Dust-Right 4-inch quick change handle, and Dust-Right ports on your tools, you have an easy, efficient way of switching dust collection from machine to machine. The side frame of the 750 has pre-drilled holes for easy mounting of a Dust-Right accessory kit, available separately, that allows you to store the Dust-Right floor sweep, quick change handle, and bench nozzle on the dust collector itself. If you dock the handle with the dust collector still on, the suction causes the expandable hose to retract, making it easier to fit in the onboard basket. And when it comes time to empty the clear dust bag, the flexible snap ring makes it easy. No fussing with frustrating ring clamps. So, if you're looking for a mobile dust collector that can become the hub of a flexible, versatile dust collection system, check out the Dust-Right 750 CFM mobile dust collector. Just go to your nearest Rockler retail store or to rockler.com. Rockler Woodworking and Hardware. We help you create with confidence.